Hello everyone. Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to file Form 1099 NEC quickly and easily with 1099 Online. Let's get started. From the left navigation menu, click Forms and select 1099 NEC. You can either create a new payer and recipient directly from this page or select existing ones from your account. Once you select the payer and recipient, their details including the name, address, phone number, and TIN are automatically populated. If needed, you can edit this information before proceeding. At the top right corner of the form, you'll also find options for corrected filing and state filing. Use these options if you're filing a corrected return or need to include state filing. Next, enter the non-employee compensation amount in box 1 and complete any other applicable fields based on your filing requirements. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click Save and Continue. You'll now be taken to the Unsubmitted Forms page. Select the form you want to file and choose any additional services you need, such as USPS Mailing, eDelivery, real-time TIN match, or state filing. Next, click Submit for this payer. Review your payment method and proceed to checkout. The filing fee for Form 1099 NEC starts at $3.49 per form. Additional charges may apply if you choose optional services such as USPS Mailing, eDelivery, state filing, or real-time TIN match. Finally, click Pay Now to complete your submission. Once your payment is successful, your form will be submitted for processing. You can track the status of your filing anytime from the Submitted Forms page. And that's how you file Form 1099 NEC using 1099 Online. Thanks for watching.